When I first logged into Arab Bank UAE's online banking portal, I was greeted with a clean and professional interface. The dashboard loads relatively quickly and displays key account information clearly. However, the site design feels a bit outdated when compared to more modern competitors like Emirates NBD or Mashreq. Navigation is intuitive, but not the most responsive, especially on mobile browsers. I tested the account overview, transfers, and bill payment features. While all functions work as intended, the loading times can be inconsistent. Sometimes pages hang for a few seconds before updating. This is not a major issue, but for users who value speed, it's worth noting. The mobile app offers a more polished experience. It's compatible with Face ID and fingerprint authentication, which is a plus, and notifications are timely. However, I did experience a bug during a scheduled transfer setup, where the confirmation screen didn't display the final transaction summary. Security is clearly a priority. Two-factor authentication is mandatory for almost every transaction, and I appreciate the transparency in the alerts that are sent for each login or account action. Many useful links you can find in the description. The health section is robust, but customer service response time can be slow during weekends. I reached out through their live chat, and it took over 30 minutes to get a response, which is not ideal for urgent banking issues. Account opening is mostly straightforward. You can initiate the process online, but you'll likely need to visit a branch to finalize verification, which is common in UAE banks. One frustration was the limited language options. While Arabic and English are supported, there's no multilingual support for other expats, which is something competing banks are starting to offer. Arab Bank's product offerings are solid. Savings and current accounts come with competitive fees, and their rewards credit card program is decent if you spend heavily in certain categories, like travel or dining. Loan and mortgage products are not as aggressively marketed, so you'll have to dig a bit to get complete details, which could be better integrated into the site. International transfers through Arab Bank's online platform work, but are not as cost-effective as services like Wise or even some local competitors. The exchange rates offered are average, and fees depend heavily on the destination and currency. There's also a noticeable lack of transparency before you reach the final step of confirming a transfer. Overall, Arab Bank UAE is a stable, secure banking choice with a decent online platform and mobile app. It caters well to customers who value traditional banking with added digital tools. However, if you're someone who prioritizes speed, modern UI, or multilingual support, it might not be the perfect fit. That said, their regional presence and reputation still make them a strong contender in the UAE banking scene. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.